Easy, crispy fried chicken. Mostly everyone's favorite. Come on, let's head into my kitchen and start cooking. Okay, let's get started with this easy, delicious fried chicken recipe. I have 5 chicken legs, 4 chicken thighs that have been soaked, washed, and dried and ready for seasoning. To season the chicken, we have here 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of complete, 1 teaspoon of the powders, garlic and onion powder, and 1 package of Sazon. And this is to fry the chicken with. We're going to use 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, and I have here 1 tablespoon of potato starch. You can either, if you can't find a potato starch, you can use cornstarch, because sometimes I use the cornstarch. I'm going to take this this mixture here and mix the Sazon in here with that, stir it up, and then season the chicken. All the ingredients are now added to the chicken. I just took that and mixed that all up, and I put some season underneath the skin and on the other side. And now I'm gonna marinate this for about an hour or so. It's not necessary, you don't have to, but since I have time, I could, marinate this for about an hour. I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna take it out a ½ hour before I'm going to start frying the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna get the flour all ready. I'm gonna put in the 1½ cups of all-purpose flour into a baggie. Then I'm gonna add, I have the potato starch. And to season the flour up, I'm gonna put just not much, a little adobo. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the Tsp Creole Seasoning. Give the flour a little flavor. And then we're going to mix that all up. Dump the chicken into the flour and then into hot oil. I place oil, canola oil, into my fryer, and heating that up till it gets hot. Okay, I dipped the chicken into that mixture, the flour mixture, and we're just going to add this to this nice hot deep fry with the oil. Let that fry for between 18 to 20 minutes. I'm going to set my Fitbit watch and see you then. Easy, crispy fried chicken. It's ready. Dinner is now served. Easy, crispy fried chicken with rice with gandules and sweet plantains. Enjoy.